Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EVS Home School. This is Fatima Johra, assistant teacher of Islamic Studies National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic is chapter 3, lesson 4, Makhraj. We have discussed about Makhraj in our previous classes and we have discussed from Makhraj 1 to 8. Today we will discuss from 9 to 17, and with this lesson we have inshallah we have finished our half yearly syllabus also. Now dear students, you can see starts our class. You can see it is chapter number 3, lesson number 4 and lecture number 15, HW number 13. Now come to your lesson. Here is the lesson 4, Makhraj 9. And Makhraj 9, touching in here in number 9 Makhraj, the one letter will pronounce it is lam. One letter will pronounce it is lam. One letter is pronounced by touching the side of the tip of the tongue with the gum near the root of the upper teeth. Touching the side of the tip of the tongue with the gum near the root of the upper teeth. By this, it is lam, lam, okay, lam. For example, Hamza lam jabr al. Now number 10, the tip of the tongue and the palate right over it are used to pronounce the letter noon. So number 10 Makhraj pronounce the noon. In number Makhraj, for example, we can say Hamza noon jabr an. The tongue, the palate right over it are used. Noon, noon, okay, an. Number 11 Makhraj, the upper part of the tip of the tongue and the palate right over it are used to pronounce raw. For example, alif ra zabar r. Okay, the upper part of the tip of the tongue and the palate, raw, raw, raw. Here you can see the picture. The tongue, upper palate. Okay, it is raw. Now come to 12. 12th number Makhraj. In 12th number Makhraj, 3 letters will be pronounced and it is to, dal, ta. 3 letters will be pronounced. The tongue and the root of the frontal upper teeth. Okay. Okay, using this part of the mouth, these 3 letters will be pronounced. To, dal, ta. You can, for example, you can say Hamza to zabur up, ad, at. Okay. Now number 13. Number 13 Makhraj. In 13 Makhraj, the tip of the tongue and the tip of the 2 teeth of the lower frontal teeth and a little bit of the upper teeth are used to pronounce 3 letters. So number 13 Makhraj will help you to pronounce the 3 letters. It is swad, sin, zha, swad, sin, za. The tip of the 2 teeth of the lower frontal teeth and a little bit of the upper teeth are used. Here you can see the picture. For example, you can say Hamza swad jabr as, Hamza sin jabr as, and Hamza za jabr az. Okay. Now number 14 Makhraj. The tip of the tongue and the tip of the 2 major teeth of the upper frontal side. Here 3 letters will be pronounced in number 14 Makhraj. It is zo, zal, sa. It will be soft. The pronouncing will be soft. Zo, zal, sa. For example, you can say Hamza zo zabar az, Hamza zal zabar az, Hamza sa zabar as. Okay, you can see the picture here. The tongue and the tip of the 2 major teeth of the upper frontal side. It will be soft. The pronouncing will be soft. The 10 Makhraj mentioned above from number 5 to 14 are connected with the tongue. Okay. Now here number 15 Makhraj, the inside or the wet part of the lower lip and the tip of the 2 upper frontal teeth. Fa is pronounced from this Makhraj. For example, alif Hamza fa zabur af, Hamza fa zabur af. The inside of the wet part of the lower lips and the tip of the 2 upper frontal teeth. You can see here. Okay, here It is commanded here. Okay, now come to number 16 makras. The 2 leaves, 3 letters are pronounced from here. For example, 3 letters ba, mim and wow. 3 letters will be pronounced from here. The 2 leaves, using the 2 leaves ba, mim, wow. You can judge it by recite or pronounce it ba, mim, wow, or ba. For example, you can say alif hamza ba zabar ab, hamza mim zabar hamza waw zabar aw. So these using 2 leaves. Number 16 number makras, 3 letters will be pronounced here. Now come to the last makras. It is 17 makras. Here in 17 makras, the last makras is the base of the nose. The gunna are pronounced from here. For example, the noon with jazm is sometimes concealed and pronounced from the base of the nose. This is also the makras for the noon with tashdid. For example, inna, min, sharri. So these are the one kind of gunna. The base of the nose. Without the help of nose, you are not able to read or pronounce it correctly. Okay, a very important lesson of tashdid is makras. The letter must be pronounced from its particular makras or place. Therefore, we shall learn the makras of the letter and the practice regularly. So there are the rules and regulation, 17 rules and regulation to pronounce 29 Arabic letters. Okay, all are described here. Dear students, these are very important lesson for all of you. Now, from this lesson, your HW, it is HW number 13, write makras 9, 10 and 11 with example. Okay, 9, 10 and 11 with example. You can see it here, 9, 10 and 11, and you have to mention the example also. It is mentioned in here. Okay, you have to mention the example also. 3 makras. It is the HW. Okay, dear students, with this lesson we have finished our half yearly syllabus. Understand? So next you have to give revise from all the syllabus. Dear students, I hope that you have understood today's lesson and you have to practice it at home carefully. These lessons are very important for all of you. Do the HW by your parents, keep fasting and perform your prayer every day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.